analyzing successful campaigns and managing a marketing plan. Right. So this is a technical term which basically means a campaign. Have you ever heard about this word campaign earlier somewhere? Campaign. Where? Any places other than digital marketing? Campaign. Election campaign. Well said. Well said. Election campaign. Medical campaigns. Army campaigns. And only army calls it as an army camp. And I think medical also calls it as a medical camp. Now camp is actually the short form of campaigns. Now why we use campaigns here in digital marketing? Why it is named as a campaign? Because in general, if a medical campaign happens, there is a goal behind the particular event. They have to offer the service for free and attract more clients for their business. Right. Army camp, they organize this particular event and they figure out those people, they train them, and later they will recruit them into defense forces. So in both the places, the camp is being organized to figure out qualified leads or resources or people. Correct? So here also it is called as a campaign, which means you are running a particular advertisement with a goal to collect either their leads, their details, their requirements and all this stuff. So whatever you do on an organic basis, we don't call that one as a campaign. Right? Only when you go with the paid campaign process, we call it as a campaign. And in Facebook and Google, both or in LinkedIn, Instagram, everywhere we go, it is called as a campaign only. Right? So advertisement campaigns, which means by running this advertisement, by spending some amount of money, you are planning to get a specific amount of leads or business. Right? For which there will be a financial planning, there will be a calendar scheduled from where to start the campaign and when to start end the campaign, and this will be handled by a person called campaign manager. Right. So this campaign needs to be maintained in a way that every now and then they will make changes in it if it is not working properly or not giving proper results. Okay. So how important it is to have a campaign analyzed. Number one, we need to make sure that we have these campaigns performing very well. So whenever we try to create an advertisement, at the first slot, you will not get the best results. Okay? You might get irrelevant audiences coming to your businesses. You will receive leads from a place where you did not even target at all. There are several reasons. If you target a particular location and if you receive a call from North India, what does it actually mean? So what the platform has said is not working. But if you pay close attention to the settings that we did inside the campaign, instead of targeting Bangalore, they would have excluded Bangalore. So there's a small difference. Adding the name and instead of clicking on target, there is a nearby option called exclude. Right? If somebody is trying to do for the first time, instead of targeting, they will exclude Bangalore. Now what will happen? Except Bangalore, this advertisement will show in all the places. And they will realize this after spending more money. They will be thinking like, oh, what did I do? What happened? Almost 5,000 rupees crossed to today's total budget. After that, they will realize. Then they will get in touch with somebody and they will ask, sir, what happened? Obviously, when these people narrate these scenarios, we will understand, sir. I just want to look at your audience targeting. When they show the screenshot, then we can say, sir, you have actually excluded the location. If it is excluded, means it will show in a red color. But obviously, it is a small choice, no? Instead of include, they would have selected exclude. But the campaign will still run. So after spending huge budget, they will realize that they made a mistake. Okay, so we need to make sure that this campaign performs very well and make necessary changes inside this particular account.